Welcome to the Showerwall installation guide. This film will provide you with practical guidance on fitting your new Showerwall system. As well as watching this DVD, make sure you also read the manufacturer's installation instructions in your pack. Make sure you have the proper equipment at hand before you begin. In order to install Showerwall, you will need the following tooling: a saw or jigsaw, a hacksaw, a drill and a screwdriver, a spirit level, a sealant gun, a file, masking tape and a tape measure. Take care to follow the manufacturer's instructions for safe use of all tools. Alongside your tools, everything else you need is contained in your Showerwall packs. One pack for each of the boards and one pack containing all trims, sealants and accessories. Please note that Showerwall sealants and adhesives have been specially developed for use in fitting this system. The use of any alternative products or not following the installation instructions provided may invalidate your guarantee. Prepare the area where you're going to fit Showerwall. Ensure that the walls are clean and free from dirt and dust prior to installation. Check that the walls are level and plumb with a spirit level. If the walls are uneven and out of plumb, treated battens must be used as a fixing method. For more information, please refer to your installation instructions, which can also be downloaded from www.showerwall.co.uk. Now you are fully prepared, you can begin the installation. Start by inserting one of the shower seal strips into the supplied mitre box to cut the required 45-degree angle and to notch the end for the internal corner trim using a hacksaw. The shower seal strips should now be placed onto the shower tray to check that the mitre cut and notches match. Whilst the strip is in position, lightly mark the shower tray to define the end of the shower seal. This will help as a guide when applying the sealant to the shower tray. Apply an ample bead of sealant to the underside of the shower seal. Ensure that the green strip is not removed. Using the profiled spatula, spread the sealant to profile, ensuring it is buttered flush with the end of the shower seal. Making sure the cavity is totally filled with the sealant is very important. Lay a straight line of sealant onto the shower tray inside the pencil lines previously marked. This will help as a guide to the shower seal outer edge. Shower seal should now be placed into position on the shower tray. Sealant should be applied across the mitered joint to fuse together. Countersunk screws or nails should be used to secure the shower seal to the wall. Now the PVC end caps can be applied. The internal corner trim should now be fixed to the wall using Showerwall adhesive. It is essential that the trim is checked to ensure that it is level using a spirit level. Measurements should now be taken for the length and width of the area. The panel should now be marked with the measurements and cut to size. Remember to leave a 3mm expansion gap at the top of the panel. If using a handsaw, the decorative face should be facing upwards. When cutting with a jigsaw or circular saw, the decorative face should be downwards. The panel should be placed into position to ensure correct size before the adhesive and sealant are applied. If your Showerwall panel has a protective film, now is the time to peel it back. Whilst the panel is flat, it is easier to apply a strip of masking tape to the top and base of the decorative face, which helps when applying sealant at a later stage. Apply a generous bead of Showerwall sealant into the end trim and fit the panel, ensuring the sealant spreads around the panel edge. Apply a bead of Showerwall sealant into one channel of the internal corner trim. Then run a continuous bead of sealant onto the top of the shower seal, between the shower seal nib and the wall panel support. Apply a generous amount of adhesive to the wall, or you can apply directly onto the panel if you wish. Showerwall panels can be heavy. Please use assistance or handling aids. Using a gripper or suction grip makes it a lot easier. You can now install the panel onto the shower seal, ensuring that the panel slides fully into the internal corner trim, spreading the sealant around the panel. Repeat this process for the second panel. You're almost finished now. Apply sealant to the 3mm expansion gap between the top of the shower wall panel and the ceiling, ensuring that the gap is filled. Apply sealant into the gap between the base of the shower wall panel and shower seal, ensuring that no gaps are left within the sealant and that it's level. Redistribute or add more sealant if required. Finally, the masking tape from the top and base of the panel should now be removed. You need to remember that a 3mm clearance gap must also be left when cutting or drilling into the panel for pipes and accessories. This gap must be sealed with sealant before and during the installation of any pipes and accessories. Sealant should also be applied around all fixtures and fittings. Your shower wall installation is ready to use after just 12 hours once the sealant and adhesive have set. To find out more about Showerwall, please go to www.buyaparcel.com.